kayong dalawa doon. Hello? Hi. Trabaho lang ha.
There are times I find it hard to speak at night. We have lived such short times, and every time that reaches out for someone to hold for one moment, they become my own. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on with every second and every minute another soul is gone. And I everything. That's how I know things could never change. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on with every second and every minute another soul is gone.
Maraming salamat po. Ang ganda-ganda ng kantang yan, no? Di ba? Kahit binubugbog ka ng lalaki, mahal mo pa rin. Di ba? Nangangaliwa na yung lalaki, mahal mo pa rin. Di ba? Nanlalalaki na yung lalaki, mahal mo pa rin. Katangahan. And welcome to our first session. This is Anne Shambi, your host for tonight. Welcome to Antakya Grill, and of course, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Later on, we're back to back with the band, and of course, Ako pa rin po mamaya for my second and third final set. Meanwhile, let's open the sing-along portion of the... Eto, ginawa itong portion to para sa inyo habang nag-aantay pa tayo ng mga tao para medyo... Alam mo naman, Filipinos would love to sing, kaya ito na po yung portion na to. Wala masyadong... Hindi naman kailangan magaling kumanta. Di ba? Basta marunong ko lang magpasa, may monitor, hindi mo pa sa ulo. Meron na ba tayo dito sa first group? Kulang pa sa tagay. Ay, mga adik pala ito. Ay, yung bagong dating, hello. Wow, ang cute naman ang anak niyo, malaki na. At magpamilya ba ito? Magpamilya? Magkakaibigan. Yung welcome to Antakya. O yung tapos na kumain, pwede na kumanta. Kaya ni ate? Ayaw. Oo, pag ayaw kumanta, dapat mag-request na lang. Wala ba talagang kakanta dyan? Ay, welcome na. Bata, mga bata ba ito, te? Mga bata? Ay, just be careful with my words, no? Oo, mga bata ba ito o unano lang? Mga bata. Hello, kids. Hello. Now you know who is Jollibee. Ayun na.